back with another one. In my last video, I did the unboxing of the new Cricut Mugpress, and we made this mug right here. After using it some more, after making the video, of course, I played around with it, and I've really gotten accustomed to it, and I really like what we have here. So today we're going to make a Mother's Day mug. So it's going to be a fairly quick video. If you don't know how to use this machine, I will insert that video here. Please go ahead and watch that video, and then you'll be caught up with us here at this time. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into Design Space, and let's get to it. So we're going to go into Design Space, and we're going to go down to the templates in Cricut Design Space for the Mugpress mugs. I'm going to click on the Mug Design Setup, the first one. And I'm going to do the 12-ounce wavy edge. That's how it's going to look, and we're going to customize it. So as you see, when this does come up, you do have this other layer that's on top that shows you, like, as far as the images that you're putting onto your template, where they're going to be in respect to the mug. So the first one shows you it's going to be on one side, that's going to be the center, and this is the other side of the mug, depending on if you're sitting your mug down, where you want your design to be sitting in. But before you make it, you must hide that layer. But we're going to go ahead and search for a Mother's Day image. So I'm just going to type in Mom into Design Space and see what they have. I saw one in here before. We'll do this one that says Proud Mom. So I'm just going to unlock the dimensions, slide it over here, and we're going to resize it to fit right in here. I don't want it to be too wide. One side of the mug is going to say Proud Mom, the other side is going to say Mama Terry, because that's what she goes by. So we have Proud Mom already on the template. So now we're just going to add text. And I'm going to add Mama. And place that here. We're going to add text again, and we're going to put Terry. And I did them separately because I might use two separate fonts for this. Alright, I changed my mind. We're going to do the same font. So we're going to do Terry underneath of it. But now we're going to take this, unlock the dimensions, and we're also going to resize this to fit on the other side of the mug. So the middle of the mug will have nothing here. It'll just be the Infusible ink. It'll say words on each side. Let's see, maybe we can put some butterflies in here. Let's see if we have a butterfly. We'll insert this. And we're going to resize it, of course. And we're going to put the butterfly to fit in between all of this. So I may have to now go back and resize some of this. I think that looks pretty good. So now, once you get all your text onto your template, you must attach everything. But first, we need to go into our layers. And we're going to hide the layer that says hide this layer before cutting. So we're going to hide that layer. I'm going to highlight everything and attach. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now do not worry. I know that when I hit attach, the words Mama Terry disappeared. But when we go over to our make it screen, they are still there and they will be cut out. So we're going to go ahead and make this, cut it out, and we're going to put it on a mug. So we'll be right back. And make sure you mirror your image. Make sure you mirror. Mirror the image. And then hit continue. You're using Infusible ink transfer sheets. So for today's Infusible ink, I'm going to use this bluish color. So I'm going to go ahead and get this laid out for my mat. Alright, so we have our Infusible ink laid out. Our Cricut is ready to load. Now we are back. My Cricut Mugpress has just got up to temperature, And my machine has just finished cutting out my design. So let me go ahead and get this off my mat. So you should be able to just pop your design right off of the sheets. Like so. So now I'm just going to fold it a little bit, roll it, so I can pop out my letters. So we're just going to just peel and pop out. So a lot of people did ask before why that transparent background is in the template on Design Space. That's so that way you have this extra edge here at the end. So when you wrap your infusible ink around your mug, that this tape will actually help stick down. Otherwise, they do sell Cricut heat resistant tape to help tape down your designs, but this mug I made yesterday, I just kept my template on there with the extra edges and it stuck down perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my letters popped out and we'll be right back. Alright, everything is popped out and is ready to be placed onto the mug. So I am going to go ahead and use my lint roller just to rub against my mug. Make sure I don't have any lint, any dog hair, or cat hair if you have any cats on here. So that way when it does infuse, it infuses to a nice clean surface. I'm just going to go ahead and take my design. Make sure it's not upside down. I've also done it as well, where I put my design on upside down, so when I went and made it, when I took it off, it was not. So I like to just put my handle towards me. That way I know that's the center, and that's where my butterfly is gonna go. Just wrap it around nice and tight. I already have my mug press up to temperature and it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and just sit the mug inside. And close it down. And once this is done, we'll be back and we'll see the finished result. My mug press is almost done. The last light is now blinking. As soon as that one's done, it's complete. Okay, you just lift up the handle to release your mug. Grab the handle, lift it up and out, and place it on your easy press mat or any heat resistant surface that you may have. So at this point, we're just gonna let the mug cool off for a minute, then we'll peel it off and we'll see what we have. I think Cricut did a great job with just the easiness of use of this mug press. I feel like it's very hard to burn yourself. I'm pretty accident prone and every single mug that I have pressed has came out perfectly. So hopefully you all got something out of this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe as well. If any of you are having trouble with anything, feel free to drop a comment. Let me know. I'm willing to help you out in any way that I can. But by any means, don't let your Cricut Maker, your Cricut Explorer, or even your mug press make you feel intimidated. I've only had my Cricut Maker since about Christmas, and I just opened it up and got started. That's the best advice that I can tell you. Just open up the box and get started. You will make mistakes, but you will also learn from them. Wow. So as you can see, this is the back side. This is the color side of my Infusible ink paper. Everything, all the color is now off of here, and it's onto my mug. The butterfly came out perfectly. Proud mom and Mama Terry. This is all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed the project. I hope you got something out of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. We out.